I'm Rae.
And I'm Dad.
And this is Mr. Bones.
Hi, Mr. Bones.
But today we are doing another costume competition. We did one last year, and so now we're doing one again this year.
We'll put the link up in the corner so you can look at our costumes from last year.
And also in the description. So make sure to check that out once you're done with this video, and make sure to enjoy. So I'm going to be telling you guys the rules and how this works and what our first challenge is. So how it works is we're going to be taking turns picking a theme, and so once we have that theme, we are going to go over to the boxes over there, and we are going to make an outfit just super quick, come back here, and we're going to have you, our audience, go in the comments and tell us who won each round. So like I said earlier, we're going to be alternating who's choosing what the theme is. I'm going first, and I'm doing something that you could find in a horror movie.
Okay, so the theme is horror movie. First one. Do I got that right?
Yeah, it's something that like makes you look like you just came out of a horror movie.
Okay, it doesn't have to be an existing character.
Nope.
A new character?
It can be anything as long as it looks like it just walked out of the screen from a horror movie.
Okay, good. I'm ready. You ready to be scared?
Yeah, let's go. So I've got this mask. Fun fact that I just found out earlier, it glows in the dark. I've got my cape and chains and a knife. So, Dad. And it looks extra creepy because one of the eye things is poking out.
All right, so that's the end of round number one. So please comment down below who got that, Rae or Dad.
Okay. And so, since that round is over and my pick is over, it is now Dad's turn to pick our theme.
I think I want to go with silly. What is the silliest or funniest costume we can come up with what we have available here?
Yep. Okay,
Ready?
let's go.
Go! Well, howdy, partner. I am the Lumberjack Squid King. Dun dun dun. I will chop down those trees and eat calamari.
I can't see anything. I don't know what I am. I'm the Mad Hula Girl, I guess. With an extra hat.
It's a mashup.
I'm just everything. Okay. Okay. So I think this round we are going to do a formal look.
Formal look. Oh my goodness.
So whoever is the fanciest with a little hint of crazy will win. So let's go. Ta-da! I'm wearing a scoop, this hat, fancy bow tie, fancy necklace, and mask. Take it away, Dad.
And I am wearing lace. What says fashion more than lace? And this hat, courtesy of my friend Dumbledore. And of course the shorts. The shorts are what set this whole outfit off.
Okay, so let us know down in the comments who do you think won, Rae or Dad? Our final round, Dad gets to choose what the theme is, and he chooses
Fantasy. We're going to do fantasy as our final theme.
Okay, so let's go.
I am the powerful wizard and dragon master. Beware my powers and beware my pet dragons, for they shall come for you.
I am Super Sword, coming to save the day. Yeah. Which one of us won for the fantasy contest? Leave a comment down below. Okay, so make sure to comment down below which one of us you think won every round. The 4 themes were, the first round was horror, second was silly, Third was formal. And fourth was fantasy. So check out our last costume competition video, which will be in the description. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And once you subscribe, press the bell for notifications so you know when we upload a new video. And most of all, enjoy. Mr. Bones says make sure to vote down below.
And make sure to vote for Dad. Oh, I'm sure that's what he said.
And I think he said right.